Welcome to our Ice Maker Showdown. Today, we will be comparing two fantastic countertop ice makers, the Free Village Ice Maker and the EUHOMY Countertop Ice Maker. Both of these machines promise quick ice production and convenience, but which one truly stands out? Let's dive into their specifications and see how they stack up against each other. When it comes to design, the Free Village Ice Maker features a classic black plastic exterior, which is compact and portable. In contrast, the EUHOMY model boasts a modern stainless steel finish that not only looks sleek, but also adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen. Both designs are compact, but the EUHOMY's material may offer better durability and aesthetic appeal. In terms of performance, both ice makers produce 9 ice cubes in approximately 6 minutes. However, the Free Village model can produce up to 26.5 pounds of ice in 24 hours, slightly edging out the EUHOMY's 26.3 pounds. While the difference is minimal, it may be a deciding factor for those who need a higher ice production rate for parties or gatherings. Finally, let's talk about price. The Free Village Ice Maker is priced at $99. While the EUHOMY model comes in slightly cheaper at $94. For budget-conscious buyers, this small price difference could make the EUHOMY a more attractive option, especially considering its additional features like a handle and specified capacities. In conclusion, both the Free Village and EUHOMY countertop ice makers offer great features for ice production. The choice ultimately depends on your specific needs and preferences. If you prefer a modern design and slightly lower price, the EUHOMY might be the way to go. However, if you want a bit more ice production capacity, the Free Village could be your best bet. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.